Joy Riders. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel. So, Peanut's tied up outside, guys. Y'all know he's got to say hello. He's tied up outside because today I'm cleaning. And this refrigerator is gross. It gets so nasty being on the road, guys. I mean, just like you have to clean your refrigerator at home, gotta clean your refrigerator in the van. Now, don't worry. It's warm outside, but Peanut's out of tent. He's got food and water. And he's just mad he can't come in here. Go! So, I started cleaning up the refrigerator. And I gotta tell y'all, this thing is bona fide filthy. So, traveling in the van, it appears everything spills during travel. So, I am, trying to disinfect. So now guess what? I got ice on the back of the refrigerator. I didn't know that. Accumulated back there. But it makes sense because my milk is frozen. So guys, we are rearranging today. We are cleaning. We are disinfecting. We are trying to get our life, okay? Because we getting ready to start work. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. But we starting work the day after, Monday. So, what I decided to do was get in here, get this van situated, so tomorrow I can just relax. Mother's Day. Why would I be cleaning? So, this is what I got so far. As you can see, inside the refrigerator, back here is ice back here, but this right here is paper stuck to the refrigerator from my milk container. So I got to figure out how to get that off of there. So guys, I'm going to put my music back on and get the cleaner. Go over there and relax. You can't help me. You cannot help me. That's why you tied up out there. Go under your tent. Go. This is the first time he's been in his tent. And I'm trying to get him used to the tent also. There's a couple things. I will show you guys the tent in a minute. And the water bottle. Because I just had a bowl for him. So since I'm going to be at work all day, I got the big kind of bowl, almost a gallon full of water, and the self-filling bowl. And once he drinks the water out the bowl, the water comes through and it makes the bubbles, bloop, bloop, bloop. It scared the hell out of him. So he didn't want to drink out of it. So I'm kind of trying to get him used to it, letting him know that those bubbles is not going to hurt him. We shall see. But let me get this done and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is all I have left to put in the van. Those bins are dishes I have to wash. And here is the tent for Peanut. When I go to work, it's going to be on the opposite side of Mr. Blue because my neighbor next door is going to take care of him while I'm at work. So he will have his bed and a blanket if he needs to. His bowl of food and his new water bottle that he hates. And then, of course, his toys. Don't look at my feet, guys. But so, this is a new water bottle that I bought him that he hates. So, see, I never filled it all the way up because I didn't know how he was going to take to it. But he's not drinking it. Okay, he won't drink it. So let's go inside the van so you guys can see all the cleaning that I have done. Voila! Ouch! Ow, hurt my toe. All right, guys, so I'm gonna open up the refrigerator so you can see that it is clean. Woo! Boom. See? I got it clean in here. All right. Uh-oh. What is going on? This has not happened before. All right. And then here is the freezer. We got Felicia on top up there now, so we got to be careful of her. But we are all ready for the week, okay? I'm going to climb in. Boom. All right, so Felicia's up here. We still got everything that was up here. The coffee station is still there. Snacks are still there, but boom. So back here, I put that little tote back here, this bin back here so that I could have a little more space, all right? I got my food back there. Just put them bins on top. There's nothing underneath inside the thing, but the bins are up here so that we can have access to food still. Towels are still here. Paper towels still here. But look what I put up there. Boom! Joy! That is from my birthday party that we had in Connecticut. So guys, I put the dresser over here with clothes in all the drawers except for that one right there. That's got dishes in there. So here's my dinner for tonight. Then I have, uh-oh, dropped my spoon. I have my fruit here, my berries. It won't fit in the refrigerator. This right here is just here. It's not going to be him drinking my water. But then I have my stove, which is here now. And I put the propane tank. Let me see if I can let y'all see. Boom. It's right there. See it? So it's got a lot of ventilation back there. The potty is back there too, right there. So my water bottle, I have it here. But I want to get a long wire or a cord, a plastic tube, whatever you call that thing. Silicone. So I can put the top on here, drill a hole in the top, and then have it come up. I can sit this back behind here because I got more space on this side, and then pull it up, and then I can put my sink right here, and then I'll have running water into the sink. I'm gonna figure that out, but that is the idea. My bed is still in the same place, and then boom, I got a TV. I just got this TV from Walmart. It's on clearance because it was open, but this is new here. So up here is food. This one is food. Down there is food. My table is still the same over here with all the crap on it. My ottoman is still here, and I still use stuff up there to get in the bed. But inside here is pots and pans, okay? Now over here, the same concept with my paper plates and stuff in here. Excuse me. And then I have my wipes in here, and then a bunch of miscellaneous things down there. I have my knife set up here and my air fryer over there. We're not going to touch up front because it's a mess up there. I haven't gotten that done, nor did I get finished up here. But like this bin right here, I took from down there. When I took that down, I put, that's my laptop that my fan is sitting on, and then the other two totes over there that's full of other crap that I use. So that is that for now. So I hope Mr. Blue is looking better to you guys, because he feels better to me. I mean, just sitting here, tomorrow's Mother's Day, and I don't want to be cleaning on Mother's Day. I want to get up in the morning and make my bed, make my breakfast, and relax for the day. Maybe have a little celebration later on. Have a glass of wine or something to celebrate Mother's Day. I do have wine up there, so I think that's what I'll do tomorrow. But guys, that is going to do it for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. No, more than I enjoyed making it, because your girl tired. I just want to shower right now and climb in my bed and go to sleep. That's really what I want to do. But I have to get this video out to you guys today, because I haven't been putting no videos out. I just been relaxing since I've been here at the campsite. I didn't even show y'all the campsite. But it's a little muggy today. Looks like it may rain. So I'm trying to get everything inside the van, get Peanut back inside the van, put his things away, and just in case the rain comes, you know, it won't affect nothing out there. And then I can get my shower. I still got pajamas on, so y'all know these are dirty for the day. But I did my laundry yesterday, so I got clean clothes, y'all. And I bought me a little lunchbox from Walmart. So they said we have to have a little lunchbox to bring our lunch, you know. So anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for my video for today. I know it was short but sweet. And finally, you guys got a tour of Mr. Blue. So let me know if you have any suggestions on how to get Peanut to drink out that water bottle, because I got 2 days, well, the rest of today and all day tomorrow, to get him to drink out of it. And I'm not going to give him anything else because the water is available for him. Let's pray he drinks it, okay? I think that's it. So guys, until my next video, have more faith than fear. Blessings.